Today we are going to learn about mastering Azure Blob Storage access tiers. We'll explore how to effectively manage and optimize these tiers to reduce costs and improve data management efficiency.
Azure Blob Storage is a powerful tool for storing massive amounts of unstructured data. But with great power comes great responsibility, especially when it comes to managing costs and ensuring efficiency. Access tiers in Azure Blob Storage allow you to optimize your data storage strategy by classifying data based on how often it's accessed and how quickly you need it retrieved. Today, we'll dive into understanding these access tiers: hot, cool, and archive, and how they can be leveraged to reduce costs and enhance data management efficiency. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions about which tier to use for your data needs. Azure Blob Storage is Microsoft's object storage solution for the cloud. It's designed to store vast amounts of unstructured data, such as text or binary data. Blob storage is ideal for serving images or documents directly to a browser, storing files for distributed access, streaming video and audio, and performing secure backup and disaster recovery. There are three types of blobs you can store in Azure: block blobs, append blobs, and page blobs. Each serves different purposes, from holding large amounts of text or binary data to supporting random read and write operations. Azure Blob Storage is scalable and flexible, making it a popular choice for cloud-native and hybrid applications. It integrates seamlessly with other Azure services, offering a robust solution for data management in the cloud.
Azure Blob Storage offers three distinct access tiers to optimize data storage: hot, cool, and archive. The hot tier is designed for data that is accessed frequently. It offers the fastest access but comes with higher storage costs. The cool tier is for data that is infrequently accessed but needs to be readily available when required. It offers lower storage costs compared to the hot tier, with slightly higher access costs. The archive tier is the most cost-effective option for storing data that is rarely accessed and can tolerate longer retrieval times. It is ideal for long-term data retention and compliance. Understanding the differences in cost, retrieval speed, and latency between these tiers is crucial for optimizing your storage strategy.
When creating new blobs in Azure Blob Storage, you have the option to set a default access tier. This can be done through the Azure portal, where you can select the appropriate tier based on your access needs. Alternatively, you can use PowerShell or the Azure CLI to automate tier settings. For new data, it's a best practice to start with the hot tier if you anticipate frequent access, then monitor access patterns to decide if a shift to the cool or archive tier is warranted. By setting the right tier from the start, you can ensure cost efficiency and optimal performance for your storage strategy.
For existing blobs, changing the access tier can help align storage costs with access patterns. This can be done easily through the Azure portal, where you can select individual blobs or entire containers to change their access tier. Using PowerShell scripts allows for more complex tiering strategies and automation. However, it's important to consider the implications of data migration, such as the time it takes to move data between tiers and any associated costs. By analyzing access patterns and adjusting tiers accordingly, you can achieve significant cost savings while ensuring data remains accessible when needed.
Each access tier in Azure Blob Storage comes with its own pricing model, which is crucial for cost optimization. The hot tier has higher storage costs but lower access costs, making it suitable for data that is accessed frequently. The cool tier offers lower storage costs with higher access costs, ideal for data that is not accessed often but needs to be available. The archive tier is the most cost-effective for storage but incurs additional costs for data retrieval. Understanding these pricing models and aligning them with your data access patterns will help in developing effective cost optimization strategies. Consider billing cycles and how retrieval frequency impacts overall costs when planning your storage strategy.
Different access tiers serve different use cases, allowing for a tailored approach to data storage. The hot tier is ideal for active data that requires immediate access, such as transactional data or frequently updated content. The cool tier is well suited for backup solutions, where data is accessed less frequently but needs to be readily available in the event of a recovery. The archive tier is perfect for data that is stored for compliance or legal purposes, where retrieval times are less critical. Industries such as healthcare, finance, and media can leverage dynamic tiering strategies to ensure data is stored cost-effectively while remaining accessible based on specific needs. Azure Lifecycle Management allows for the automation of tier changes based on predefined rules and policies. By creating lifecycle management policies, you can automate the transition of blobs between hot, cool, and archive tiers based on access patterns and data aging. This automation reduces the need for manual intervention, ensuring that your storage strategy is always optimized. Benefits of automated tiering include cost savings, improved data management efficiency, and the ability to focus on higher-level strategic tasks. Use cases for lifecycle management include managing large datasets, regulatory compliance, and optimizing storage for dynamic workloads. Understanding and analyzing data access patterns is key to optimizing your Azure Blob Storage strategy. Azure provides several tools for monitoring access, such as Azure Monitor, which offers insights into how often data is accessed and by whom. By analyzing access frequency, you can identify opportunities for tier optimization, such as moving infrequently accessed data to the cool or archive tier. Integrating these insights with Azure Monitor enables data-driven decisions that align storage strategies with actual usage patterns. This approach not only enhances cost efficiency but also ensures that data is available when needed, supporting business objectives. To optimize storage costs in Azure Blob Storage, it's essential to adopt best practices that align with your organization's needs. Regularly reviewing data access patterns ensures that blobs are stored in the most cost-effective tier. Implementing lifecycle policies automates tier transitions, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Combining Azure Blob Storage with other Azure services, such as Azure Data Lake or Azure Synapse, can offer additional efficiencies and insights. When planning long-term storage, consider compliance requirements and potential future access needs. Staying updated with new Azure offerings and features ensures that your storage strategy remains relevant and cost-effective. Let's look at a real-world case study where a company successfully optimized its Azure Blob Storage access tiers to achieve significant cost savings. The company faced challenges with rising storage costs due to a large volume of data stored in the hot tier. By analyzing access patterns, they identified opportunities to move less frequently accessed data to the cool and archive tiers. Implementing Azure Lifecycle Management policies automated these transitions, reducing manual efforts and ensuring consistent optimization. The result was a 40% reduction in storage costs, demonstrating the effectiveness of a strategic tiering approach. This case highlights the importance of data-driven decisions and the potential for significant financial benefits through access tier optimization. In conclusion, mastering Azure Blob Storage access tiers is a valuable skill that can lead to significant cost savings and improved data management efficiency. We've explored the differences between hot, cool, and archive tiers, how to configure them, and the cost implications of each. By understanding and applying these concepts, you can optimize your storage strategy to align with your organization's needs. We encourage you to explore further Azure resources and start applying what you've learned today. Whether you're managing large datasets or just starting with cloud storage, optimizing access tiers is a step towards smarter, more efficient data management.